Hola y bienvenida a Panama. We are in Sortis Hotel, Spa, and Casino, and this is a little room tour that I want to give you all if you are planning a trip to Panama. Hey guys, I'm currently at El Caribe Restaurante in Panama City, and this is actually my first stop while in Panama. Like, I am so happy. It wasn't too far away from my hotel at all. It was only about like a 10-minute walk, but I of course got a little bit lost. But this is a black owned restaurant. I'm so happy I found it. And look at this, they got happy hour, y'all. Okay, Monday through Thursday, I got this drink for $4. All right, but let's get into this food. Everything was so delicious.
Welcome to the large maternity in Panama as well. Here in Arizona. Bueno, yo me tomo. French.
Every month is a different second wine, but there is also cafe and conversation that happens, and
Hey man.
no? ¿Todo bien? Tranquilo, papá. We also do tours and give classes on how to do all this.
Oh, yeah. Woo. Okay. This day has been so eventful. Jeez. I woke up feeling energized. I was like, I cannot wait for this day to officially begin. I had a pickup this morning from GetYourGuide. I ended up booking with Tommy Tours. Tommy is a tour guide who will take you around Panama in the Thing, which is a safari classic car that is the one and only. It's a lime green car, which is super out of the ordinary. People will honk their horns and wave at you. It's such an amazing experience. We were able to go to quite a handful of sites. The tour was 2 hours, but it was very, very fun. Shout out to Tommy, who is amazing. After that, once I got dropped off from the hotel, took 2 seconds to sit down, relax for a minute, and then I ended up going out to lunch, which was, oh my gosh, I really, really enjoyed lunch today. I went to the Black-owned Peach Fuzz International, which was just such a time. I was able to spend a considerable amount of time with Danny, the owner. He was able to cook the meal that I ordered, got to see him in action. I ate my delicious food, which was fried fish and plantain, which was it was tremendous. Like, I have never had fish like that before. Like, it was so well marinated and flavorful. It was so good. And then after I ate, we ended up just talking and talking and talking. It was a really, really wonderful day. I'm finally back at my hotel, going to just chill out. And that's really all I need to do. I also need to charge my phone too. I need to charge my phone, but I mean, I guess you could say that the day is only just beginning, because I'm definitely gonna go out, go to dinner. I have no idea where I'm gonna go to dinner, but I'm gonna just explore, possibly see a little bit of the rooftops. I'm a rooftop girly, so I would love to check out one of the rooftops, and the icing on the cake would be to find some great live music, okay? Whenever I go to a new city, especially a new country, I love me some live music. And even more bonus points if it's more music that the local people listen to, and that possibly particular language. I mean, here I would love to hear some music that they got going on in Panama, so we'll see. But until then, I'ma catch you guys up once I come back from the rest of my day. So, peace.
Don't change, right? know? China society, the same top. See?
Oh yeah.
Maybe you say, I have a
It feels so good, you guys, to be sitting down in the hotel room. It is, what time is it? The time is not on the TV, but it's a little after 2:30, okay? I just had one of the best days in Panama. I ended up doing a private tour with Ricardo, who, if you remember, was the tour operator of my first tour for the free walking tour that I ended up doing. I told him what I was interested in terms of tours, what I wish I would be able to see, but nothing really gives like the Black experience, being able to see Black culture whenever I looked online. And he offered up his services to take me around, and he was gracious enough to get me, and we were able to go to Casco Viejo and see some of the barrios. We went to San Felipe, which was really, really great. We got to see where a lot of people lived. We got to have lunch, which was so good. We had fried fish, coconut rice, salad, and we had something else too, I think, in the lunch. My memory is failing me right now, but it was so great. We ended up going to Chinatown, which was pretty nice. We went to a supermarket that sold like a ton of meat and fresh food. We got a little bit of this beet juice, which thankfully was like sweet enough, but that was very good. And we were just exploring. We were out for quite a bit. My tour started at 9:30 and we got back to my hotel at around 2:30. So it was very nice. I got to talk to Ricardo at length, just talking about his experience living in Panama all of his life. And now I'm just gonna chill out, charge my phone, lay back, have my feet up, and just kind of relax for a little bit before I go out again. And I'm going to go out to one of my favorite places, Casco Antiguo, Casco Viejo, which is so awesome. Old Town is honestly where it's at. There's a lot of rooftops out there, so if you are interested in rooftops, they definitely have them there. But it's a really fun time. Probably gonna go out to eat, chill out a bit. I don't want to go out too late just because sadly tomorrow is my last day in Panama, which I really don't know how time has escaped me. Like, I'm really trying to plan my next trip here because I really fell in love with the city. But I'm gonna let you guys know how tomorrow is. I don't know if I'm gonna do a recap like this, but you're definitely gonna see it in the next video. So until then, peace. Hmm.